Hello, this is Mira from HR. Yes, how can I help you?
Hi ma'am, good morning. This is Russell. I need to report an incident of workplace harassment.
Yesterday, during the team meeting, my colleague Lisa made some inappropriate comment about my appearance and repeatedly singled me out in the front of the team.
I'm sorry to hear that, Russell. Thank you for calling. Your confidentiality at most important. Can you please provide details about the incident?
Yes, that's fine.
Thank you for sharing, Russell. I initiate investigation immediately. During this process, I need to speak with you and other relevant parties. Is that okay?
Ano ba si Mama Mira?
Wait a moment. Nandito ko ba? Nandito ko ba?
Ang babasagin.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please take your seat.
I'm conducting an investigation regarding allegation of harassment in our company. Can you provide your investigation of situation?
Ma'am, I didn't mean any company comments. I was just joking around.
Thank you for your input, Lisa. It is important to understand our different perspectives. Nanunukas ka niya.
Akala mo magaling ka lang. Look at yourself. Ang baduy mo.
Ready ka naman sa akin, Lisa. Thank you for your attention to us. Based on our investigation, we found Elisa's comment were the appropriate to create a hostile environment. We are taking a matter seriously.
I appreciate your attention to this matter, ma'am. It has been affecting my work performance.
I understand your concern, Russell. We will take appropriate action to address the issue. Lyle will receive disciplinary action, including sensitive training. Additional, we will provide support and resources to help in investigation situations. Is there anything else you'd like to discuss?
No, thank you for handling this.
You're welcome. If you have any further concern or questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to support you.